this is Igor at ANTISMOG with a video showing how to assemble our portable diesel smoke meter. So this is ANTISMOG MP-01 smoke meter, and this is how to assemble it. Expand the telescopic handle and tighten the 3 sections to secure. Next, attach the gas flow adapter. Align the groove of the perforated tube with the rib on the gas flow adapter. Insert the L-shaped gas sampler tube and secure with a thumb screw. Turn on the MP-01, it will now warm up, then self-calibrate, and it will be ready to use in less than a minute. Let's help the cities breathe.